back, everybody. That was a cold day. Keep in mind, average lows this time of year should be at about 15 degrees. So we were 30, 40, 45, even 50 degrees below average here this morning as far as morning lows. Some clouds sneaking in, 0 in Helena right now. Feels like 10 below though with a 5-mile-per-hour wind. It will get worse here coming up Saturday. Great Falls right now 8 above 0, but that southwest wind picked up was as high as about 17, 18 miles per hour today. It feels like 7 below 0 in Great Falls. 22 below in Havre, just north of there. It's 29 below right now in Mud Lake. Glasgow 20 below. I saw some readings up here closer to the Canadian border of 30 degrees below 0. We're going to 40 degrees below 0 likely up in northeast Montana, some parts here for tonight. Wind chill 34 below in Havre, 20 below in Glasgow, 27 below in Jordan. Dangerously cold. And up in the northeast part of the state where those air temperatures will get down to 30 to 40 below, we could have wind chills, look at that, 55 degrees below 0 up here in the northeast part of the state here tonight. Frostbite in moments, not minutes, moments outside when the wind chill is that bad. And a wind chill advisory for a lot of north central Montana, including the Capital, Butte, Bozeman. This wind chill advisory is in effect right now. Look when it goes until Sunday, 2 o'clock. Dangerous wind chills here, especially Saturday, could be down to 40 below 0. Frostbite in minutes. And then, yeah, we've got a winter storm warning for the Rocky Mountain front. Winter weather advisory is shaded purple. Winter storm watch west of the divide. We're going to see about 2 to 4 inches here through a lot of the area with as much as 8 into the mountains. Nothing on the radar just yet. That will change though tomorrow with snow moving back in. Clouds increasing. Little snow in the mountains here overnight tonight, but it's through Friday that snow will move down the western part of the state here through central Montana, breaking out in northeast Montana later in the afternoon. But it's a snowy afternoon for a lot of Montana here, and that continues through Friday night into Saturday. It's that real cold, fine snow that will continue here through, again, a lot of the state on Saturday. Snowfall amounts, it's not a terrible amount of snow here, a few inches likely coming through Friday night into Saturday here, but it's the combination of the snow and the wind that will make Saturday really just a brutal day. Here's a look at the lows for tonight. Again, northeast Montana, Glendive, Glasgow. This is without the wind. Talking temperatures down 30 to 40 degrees below 0. Havre's right around 30 below again tonight. Not as cold though, closer to the continental divide with some cloud cover coming in. Once those temperatures the temperatures dropped last night. Once the clouds cleared out, it was like clockwork, and we dropped 10, 15 degrees really quickly in a matter of minutes. But cloud cover kind of will keep the temperatures up here tonight. For tomorrow, snow breaking out. Again, a cold day. May make it up to about 13 in Great Falls before the front comes through. And then here is Saturday's forecast. This we need to be very careful about here. I am advising people to maybe try to stay inside and try to avoid traveling here because, all right, these numbers don't look too terrible. However, when you factor in the wind, again, we're going to have wind chills 30, 40, maybe even 50 degrees below 0 on Saturday. With that snow coming down, reduced visibility, travel will not be a good idea here coming up on Saturday. This is coming from a guy that loves to drive no matter what here. For Sunday, a cold day, mostly cloudy, spotty light snow here, but the worst will be Saturday and then into Sunday night and Monday. We've got another round of snow coming through, one moving out in the morning, another one moving in later in the day. So a continuation of some tough winter weather here for the next several days. Look at the forecast for Saturday. My forecast here, about 10 below for the high around the capital. Some places, higher elevations could be between 15 and 20 degrees below 0. That's without the 10 to 20 mile per hour wind coming in on Saturday. So keep that in mind. Very dangerous on Saturday to be outside. Then Sunday night into Monday, a little light snow continuing, and temperatures may get up to the teens. Valentine's Day on Thursday. No hearts melting there. We've got some very, very cold air, though, for Great Falls. 13 below for the high on Saturday with a north wind 15 miles per hour. That consistently keeps those wind chills between around 30 and 45 degrees below 0. That is going to be a very tough day. It's Montana. We're tough. It snows here. It gets cold. that's a bad day.
Yeah, very important that people pay attention to
Yeah.
that. Thank you for that, Curtis.